Picture Florida. What do you see? I bet it's theme parks, giant beachside resorts, the buzzing sands of Miami Beach, and those big chain hotels you see off every highway. Florida built its reputation on tourism, and it welcomes everyone. But everyone means crowds. That peaceful, private, truly luxurious vacation you were dreaming of, it can easily get swallowed by the noise, the long lines, and the battle for a pool chair. A five-star experience doesn't feel so five-star when you're sharing it with thousands of other people. We all see the same names, the same brochures, the same top 10 lists recycled over and over. The Ritz-Carltons, the Four Seasons, the Setai. They're all fantastic, but let's be honest, they are the opposite of a secret. They're famous for a reason, but they're on everyone's radar. But what if the most incredible, most unforgettable luxury experiences in Florida are the ones you've never even heard of? The ones that aren't on billboards or splashed across travel sites? What if there's a whole hidden world of hospitality in the state? A collection of secret sanctuaries and boutique escapes that are kept under wraps on purpose. These are the places that insiders whisper about, the spots for people in the know, the resorts that put privacy and personal service above everything else. These places offer more than a vacation. They're an escape to another reality. Today, we're going on a mission to uncover 3 of Florida's best-kept secrets. These are the resorts that will define your 2025 travels, delivering a level of exclusivity you probably didn't think was possible in Florida. And our first stop is so secluded, so private, you can't even drive there. To get to this destination, you have to leave the mainland and all your stress far behind. Number 3. The Secluded Island Paradise, Little Palm Island Resort and Spa. Our first secret is hiding in the Florida Keys, an island chain famous for its laid-back vibe and that stunning highway slicing through the sea. But we're heading way past the usual spots like Key West and Marathon. Our journey starts at a discreet departure lounge on Little Torch Key called the Shore Station. There's no giant sign, no big announcement. It feels more like arriving at a private home than a world-class resort. You check in, hand over the car keys, and they hand you their signature cocktail, the Gumby Slumber. And that's when you feel it. The outside world just starts to melt away. Your ride isn't a bus or a golf cart. It's a classic gorgeous wooden motor yacht named the Truman. As the boat glides across the turquoise water, the feeling is electric. You're not just going to a hotel. You're on a pilgrimage to a private 5.5-acre island sanctuary with crushed seashell paths and unbelievable quiet. This is Little Palm Island Resort Sea Spa, a place that has absolutely perfected the art of staying off the grid. The first rule of Little Palm Island says it all. No one under 18 is allowed. This isn't a family resort. It's a sanctuary built for pure, uninterrupted peace. The second, unspoken rule hits you the moment you step on the dock. Using your cell phone in public is gently discouraged. You won't see people doom scrolling by the pool or taking loud calls. Instead, you see couples holding hands, reading in hammocks, and just listening to the wind in the palm trees. It's a forced digital detox that you quickly realize is the biggest luxury of them all. The resort itself is rustic on purpose, but oh so elegant. The vibe is classic British colonial, a throwback to a time of adventure and class. There are no huge hotel buildings here. Instead, you'll find 30 thatched roof bungalows hidden among the tropical plants, with each bungalow holding just 2 suites. This means even when it's fully booked, there are only 60 guests on the entire island. Privacy isn't just a perk here, it's the whole point. Walking into your bungalow suite is a game changer. There are no TVs. The buzz of electronics is gone, replaced by the whisper of a ceiling fan and the sound of waves just outside your private porch. The design is stunning, with vaulted ceilings and plush 4-poster beds. But the real magic is how it connects you to nature. Every suite has a private outdoor shower, often surrounded by bamboo, so you can bathe in the sun or under the stars. The bathrooms have incredible copper-soaking tubs that are just begging you to relax. A stay here is a masterclass in relaxation. You can watch the sunrise from your porch before heading to the dining room. the resort's amazing restaurant. The service is so intuitive and personal. The staff seems to know what you want before you do, but they're never in your face. For a truly mind-blowing experience, you can set up a private dinner right on the sand, at a table dug into the beach and lit by tiki torches as the sun dips into the Gulf of Mexico. It's romance and seclusion, perfected. Days here are yours to design. You can paddle a kayak through the mangroves, or set up a boat trip to Looe Key Reef for some of the best snorkeling and diving in the US. The resort spa, Spa Terre, offers treatments inspired by Indonesian rituals for even deeper relaxation. But maybe the most unique residents are the tiny key deer. These little doe-eyed creatures roam the island freely, a living reminder that you're a guest in their protected, magical world. Little Palm Island is a secret. Not because no one knows about it, but because so few truly get it. It's for people who understand that real luxury isn't about flashy brands. It's about the richness of silence. It's about freedom from distraction. It's an expensive, exclusive, and totally unforgettable experience that is one of the most treasured secrets in all of Florida. Okay, so from the ultimate island escape, a place defined by salty air and beautiful isolation, we're heading inland for our next secret. We're leaving the coast behind and driving north into the heart of Florida. This is a part of the state most people just fly over, a land of rolling green hills, ancient oaks dripping with Spanish moss, and huge horse farms. It's right here, in the unexpected town of Ocala, that we find a secret that will completely blow away your idea of a countryside retreat. It's a palace of pure opulence, hiding in plain sight. Number 2, the Equestrian Estate, the Equestrian Hotel at World Equestrian Center. When you think of Ocala, you probably think of horses. It is called the horse capital of the world after all. But I bet you don't think of 5-star European-style luxury that could go head-to-head with the grandest hotels in Paris. Well, get ready to be surprised. Welcome to the Equestrian Hotel. It sits right in the middle of the World Equestrian Center, the biggest equestrian complex in the United States. And it's a jaw-dropping marvel of architecture that most people outside the elite horse world have no idea even exists. Driving onto the property is like entering another country. The scale is just massive. But the hotel is what steals the show. It looks less like a hotel and more like a royal palace. The second you step into the grand lobby, you know you're somewhere special. The ceilings soar 20 feet high with enormous crystal chandeliers sparkling above. The floors are a stunning mix of rich mahogany and Italian porcelain. Oversized paintings of champion horses and regal dogs line the walls. The air smells like leather, fresh flowers, and pure grandeur. This isn't Florida beach chic. This is old world elegance dropped right in the middle of horse country. The Equestrian Hotel is a AAA 4-diamond resort, and it shows. The 248 rooms and suites are all about unapologetic luxury, with custom furniture and marble bathrooms. But the most insane feature is the view. Many rooms have private balconies that look directly out over the Grand Arena. That means you can sit in your own stunning room, sipping your morning coffee, and watch world-class show jumping competitions happening right below you. It's an experience you can't get anywhere else on this level, your own private box to one of the most elegant sports in the world. But this place is more than just a hotel with a view. It's a whole universe of luxury. There are 7 restaurants on site to satisfy any craving. The crown jewel is Stirrups, a high-end steakhouse with a huge terrace perfect for watching the arena action. The Yellow Pony Pub Sea Garden is more laid back, while Emma's Patisserie is an authentic French bakery that feels like it was plucked right out of Paris. The amenities just keep coming. The Kaluna Spa is a 7,000 square foot sanctuary designed to pamper everyone. What makes the Equestrian Hotel a true secret is its context. It's a bubble of extreme luxury, built for a very specific world. To the international horse set, it's a must-visit destination. But to the average traveler, it's a total shock. It proves that the height of luxury in Florida isn't just on the coast. You don't have to be a horse lover to be floored by the Equestrian Hotel, but you'll definitely leave with a new appreciation for the sport and the incredible world it has inspired. If you like what you see, subscribe to the Smart Lux Travel YouTube channel, hit the like button, and click on the bell when new content becomes available. If you want to see anything specifically, leave a comment in the comments section. We listen to our subscribers and anyone who participates in our channel. Okay, we've been to a private island where phones are basically forbidden, and we've explored a European palace in the middle of horse country. Two totally different worlds, but both delivering that secret, exclusive vibe we're hunting for in 2025. If you're seeing a side of Florida you never knew existed, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. It really helps, and it guarantees you won't miss our next adventure. We have one more hidden gem to uncover, and it might be the most unique of them all. And I want to know, what's your ideal escape? Drop a comment below and let me know. For our final stop, we're heading back to the coast, but we are skipping the high-rises and crowded shores of Florida's famous beaches. We're going to the Panhandle, to a stretch of scenic highway called 30A. This road is a secret in itself, winding through a series of perfectly planned towns, each with its own unique vibe. It's here, in a town that feels like a European village was teleported to the Gulf of Mexico, that we find our final secret. A place where history, stunning design, and next-level luxury all come together. Number 1. The architectural jewel, the Pearl Hotel. Welcome to Rosemary Beach. If you haven't heard of it, you're not the only one. It's a favorite for a select group of travelers, but it stayed mostly off the mainstream map. There are no neon signs or chain restaurants. Instead, you get cobblestone streets, gaslit lanterns, hidden courtyards, and beautiful Dutch and West Indies-inspired architecture. It's designed to make you feel like you've stepped into another world. And right in the heart of this picture-perfect town stands our final secret, the Pearl Hotel. The Pearl is an architectural masterpiece, with its iconic black and white striped awnings, clock tower, and sunny turrets. It radiates timeless, old-world European style. It's impossible to forget. Like Little Palm Island, the Pearl is an adult-oriented hotel, a choice that creates a calm, sophisticated atmosphere, perfect for a real escape. The moment you arrive, you're handed a glass of sparkling wine, a little touch that sets the tone for a seriously special stay. With just 55 rooms, the Pearl has an intimate, boutique feel that you just don't get at bigger resorts. Each room is a bright, airy sanctuary, with elegant furniture and a private balcony looking out over the charming town, the beautiful pool, or the Gulf of Mexico. The details are what make it special. The luxury of the Pearl is tied to the lifestyle of Rosemary Beach itself. The town is made for walking, and the hotel provides free bikes for exploring the charming streets. You can spend your morning biking to a local coffee shop or browsing the amazing independent boutiques and art galleries. This isn't a resort you need to escape from. It's the perfect launchpad for diving into a one-of-a-kind community. Of course, the beach is key. The Pearl gives guests private access to the sugar white sands of Rosemary Beach. Your stay includes complimentary beach chairs and a big umbrella, making a day by the sea completely effortless. Back at the hotel, the pool is a chic and peaceful oasis, lined with those signature black and white cabanas. The Pearl is a secret for travelers who appreciate pure aesthetics. It's for the person who gets that the design of a place can completely change how you feel being there. It's a luxury that's less about flash and more about a perfectly curated vibe, a slice of European elegance on the Florida coast. And there you have it, 3 of Florida's most incredible and most secret luxury resorts for your 2025 vacation. We started our journey on the shores of Little Palm Island, a private paradise where the ultimate amenity is being forced to disconnect. Then, we went inland to the shocking grandeur of the Equestrian Hotel, a palace in horse country that totally redefines countryside luxury. And we wrapped things up at the stunning Pearl Hotel, a boutique gem bringing European class to the charming streets of Rosemary Beach. Each of these spots is a world away from the typical Florida vacation. They prove that real luxury isn't always at the biggest, most famous resorts. It's often tucked away, waiting for you to find it. These places offer more than a hotel room. They offer a story, an experience, and a memory that will stick with you forever. They remind us that even in a place as popular as Florida, there are still incredible secrets to uncover. These are our top 3 secrets for 2025, but we know there are more out there, and that's where you come in. If you have a hidden gem in Florida, a place with that perfect mix of luxury and privacy, drop it in the comments below. Let's build the ultimate insider's guide right here for our community. And if you want to join us on more adventures to find exclusive destinations all over the world, make sure you're subscribed with those notifications on. You won't want to miss where we go next. Until then, travel with curiosity and go find your own hidden paradise. Want to see more gems like this? Subscribe to the Smart Luxe Travel YouTube channel, hit the like button, and click on the bell when new content becomes available. If you want to see anything specifically, leave a comment in the comments section. We listen to our subscribers and anyone who participates in our channel. Happy travels!